Another thing that I want to show you is the options you have when you are creating the questions. I showed you how to upload an image and how to upload a video. Another option that you will be using a lot if you are actually going to be working in the math area is the math button here. It's creating difficult or equations that you cannot create using the simple keyboard. So what you do is click on the text document link here, and you will be taken to a page over here, and they have all the codes that you need for creating the equations. It may be a little difficult at first, but once you try once or twice, you're going to get used to it. So let me just show you a sample. Like say this is like a sample of a question that I created, and say if I want to create this section again, okay? What I do is I go in here and I say, okay, first of all, I want to create a fraction, and then I want to create a number with a power up on top. So what I do is I look for powers, and over here, so I have to create something like this, and the result is going to look like this. So if I want 5 and 5, it's going to look like this. I go 5, see? And then the second one was, where is it? 3 and 2. So it's going to look like 3, 2. And so it's a fraction. So I look over here, I look underneath fractions. This is what it's going to look like. This is a sample of what, so it's like backslash frac and then brackets. So I go backslash and the first one in a bracket and the second one in a bracket. You see that? That's what the result is going to look like, and it'll be shown over here. As I said, you have to get used to it. At first it might seem a little bit difficult, but once you try it out once or twice, you can see that it's not that hard. And the sample that is shown at the start, when you click on it, this helps a lot because this is what you should write when you want to create this sample, so you can just break it down to see what you want. And it's a great example for you guys to work with. Another thing that I wanted to show you is creating a tip. This is a good idea if you have a question that might seem a little bit difficult, and it might be a good idea to put a tip for the students to know what to write. Let me show you a sample of a tip that I have created before. See this one? I have entered, see over here where you enter your question, you enter a tip over here. And in the end, when you want to preview it, you see that? You're going to have a button that shows that this question has a tip, and when you click on it, it shows the tip. So this is optional, but it's a good idea to have it. And I think that's it. So that was the basics of learning to use the Classroom A platform.